Hi guys, so I want to talk about something quite specific. The Trinity Grade 5 session skills, possible introduction of disco guitar music and soloing and improvising in a disco style. The most important things to remember first of all, when you're playing in disco, it doesn't necessarily mean you're just playing notes. But you might have to play chords to vamp. Now the three main characteristics are muting, playing at the right time, root 4 chords. First of all is muting. To mute on a guitar, you play a note like you would, but then you don't press down on it, you just keep your finger on the string and stop it vibrating. It's a percussive technique. When you combine it with melodic notes, you get this percussive melodic sound. It's really cool. Playing at the right time. It's so important to practice playing away from the beat when you're playing funk music. Really good pieces to look at if you are up for a challenge is Jacob Story's The Chicken for you bassists, but guitarists can also try and play it because it's the first 4 strings. And he really gets into the pockets. What we mean by the pockets is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We can break that up to 1 E and a, 2 E and even further if we want to. It's about playing on the E's and the ands and the as well as being able to play on the beat. So you've always got to be aware of where the pulse is. If I want to play just before 4, let's say I've got a semiquaver, just before 4, 3, dep, dep. You know, just getting in at the right time. Now we're going to look at a quick extract from a good piece to look at is September by Earth, Wind and Fire. It's really rarely coming in on the first beat. There's always like a quaver rest at the beginning, throw it off the beat. So you've got like 1. If you're unsure about any root 4 chords, I just want you to research root 4 major 7ths and root 4 minor 7 chords, and also root 4 major chords without the 7. These are really popular in funk music. Example of the root 4 major chord is the F. That's a beginner's way of playing an F, and it's one that we learn, but we can move it up the neck to G, A, and so forth. These can be muted. It's a really good technique for playing when you're soloing, mixing notes and chords together. You get a really cool effect for disco guitar. There's minor 7s, there's major 7s, and there's majors, which will all come in really handy. Putting it all into context, let's say I wanted to do a quick improvisation using everything that I've said. So that was just improvised, trying to do all 3 things. Include the chords, think about the mutes on the single notes, and try and be awkward and play away from the beat as much as on the beat. I hope this really helps with the disco guitar playing in grade 5. Apply them 3 methods and it will sound good.